Hello everyone. In this video we will just teach you how to freeze the first row and the first column. Okay, the top row and the column simultaneously at the same time. Okay, so to freeze this, first of all you have this data. Okay, and the first row, these are the header, and the first column we have names. So we want to just freeze this top row and this first column simultaneously. Okay, so for that we will click here. Look at the mouse, see this cell. Okay, down from the top row and right side from the first column. After clicking here, come here to the view menu. After coming to the view menu, come here to the freeze pans option and select here just the freeze pans. Okay, if you freeze this for freeze top row, it will freeze the top row. Freeze first column, it will freeze the first column, but this option will freeze the top row and the left column. Okay, wherever you have clicked. Let's click it. That has freezed right now. Okay, so now let's move down, scroll down. See, the top row is freezed with us. Let's check it. See, and also the first column is freezed with us. Okay, let's check it also. See, the first column is freezed with us. So it was all about how to freeze first row and first column simultaneously. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.